Aisha YP from Malappuram, white corner. Anu Sri from Thiruvananthapuram, blue corner. Aisha YP from Malappuram, white corner. Anusri from Thiruvananthapuram, blue corner.
Anil Krishna T. Thrissur winner. First quarter final bout of -50 kg. Rasul Khan, Kollam, white corner. Abhinav Subhash, Idiki, blue corner. Next bout, Kipa Chikpa Thrissur, white corner. Shivarag Rajit, Ernakulam, blue corner. Please get ready. Kipa Chikpa, Shivarag Rajit, Shivarag. Shivarag Rajit, Ernakulam.
Anaga K from Kasaragod is a winner.